Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Few days back I created this effect, this whole scene, and now I'm here with the breakdown of this effect. So in this video I'll show you everything, and this looks cool, but it's very simple to create this type of thing. So let's start this video.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So mainly you can see some rocks are just moving in one direction, and there is sun, and you can say that this is sun or anything, energy portal or energy core, anything. I didn't think that when I was creating it, I didn't think that it is sun. I just put some energy there, but it looks like sun. Okay, then this guy has a sword with the sparks in it, and then this aura type energy which is sucking this sun from this body. So if I play it here, and this is the sequencer, and this is from camera angle, you can see, and this is out of camera. So this is how it looks in unlit. Okay, so we have some rocks that I downloaded from Bridge Quixel, and then I have these effect here, this sun and these rocks traveling, see, and then this character effects. So one by one I'll show you everything. So first I have a camera, and camera has this resolution, and then I have debris, then this character is, you can see here, this is how it looks. Okay, and after this character I have this soul effect, I'll show you. Then I have these speed lines, then this sun, and then this sword. Okay, so from starting, after camera I just put this animation character here, and then after putting this character I took this sword effect and linked it with the bone. You can see this is attached with the right hand. So you just need to click here, attach, choose your character, then choose your bone, and you can attach it here. Okay, so it's moving with this. And in this sword I have a static mesh emitter here, just no animation, just a particle static mesh, and this is my material, and material is very simple, you can see. So I have the texture coordinate, then I'm taking the green channel, inverting it, powering it, multiplying it with 1000, then using black body, and then again multiplying it with 2000. So this is how it looks, and so this is my material. After this I have this embers, you can see here, and I have a sphere location which I am stretching on one axis. You can see on Z it is 25, so it's aligned with the sword. Then I have a basic spark material, and with this I have 50 particles spawn rate, size, color is orange, random life, random size, and velocity random, then some drag random again, then some gravity again random, then some curl noise, vortex slightly, you can see these sparks rotating, and then sprite is scaling down our life. So, and it has also light connected. So this is my after character, this is my sword effect. After sword we will see these rocks and speed lines, then this soul effect, and then sun. So first I have this debris, Actually these two debris are same, just duplicated and change some just for the variation. In this one, the selected one, in fourth one, you can see debris are very smaller. You can see here in the selection this yellow, and in the fifth one we have lots of big chunks, and also the area is bigger. This is spawning from a small area, this is spawning from a large area. So I'll just show you one, and you can just duplicate and change your variation. So I have two emitters in it. In this one mostly smaller, in this one bigger. So in this one I have this box location, you can see. So from this box I'm emitting my particles. My Z of my box is 0, that's why it looks like just a planar. If I make it 100, you can see this is box. So I'm spawning 100 particles. I have this 1 2 3 4 meshes, and then here you see the mesh index is binding with mesh index, and here I have 0 to 3 mesh index, means per particle using different mesh. Spawn 100 particles, random life, random mesh sizes, random orientation initial, then random mesh per particle, then some camera offset, box location of course, velocity on upward, so random 0 to 150 on Z axis, particle scaling down, and also rotating on random direction with random speed. And then I duplicated this emitter and just reduced the spawn rate and increase the particle size. That's it. And same in this one, if I just open, you can see it has again a box but a smaller size, spawn rate is different and size is different, some velocity is also different, it's 200, it's fast. So after these debris, let's see the speed lines. So this is very easy. Speed lines, let me just make my preview window slightly darker so you can see. So I have a radial material spawning 200 particles, random live, and white color with random shades, so some are darker, some are brighter. Then random size, and I'm stretching on Y because this is velocity aligned. Box location again, and camera offset, and here I have velocity on random Y. So some particle going there, some here on Y. And after this, let's check the sun, then the last effect, this sol effect. So in this sun I have two emitters. In this first one I have just a radial material, this is default material, spawning 10 particles, and color is orange, and random life and random size, and sphere location, you can see this is sphere location, and just color is fading in and fading out, actually alpha. And this second one I have this. So I'm spawning 5000 particles with GPU, again the same material, and spawning from a sphere location. And how these are looks like a tentacles, because in sphere I'm using uniform. If I make it random, this is by default settings of a sphere, random, but you can use it as uniform, and also it has then this distribution thing that you can tweak, see, or this thing, so you can just tweak these together. Okay, so I'll just make it 1 and 1. Okay, and velocity from point, so these are just moving away from the center with 20, and some curl noise, color is fading in out, and particle size also reducing. So this is how it looks. After this I have the very last effect, that is my sol effect. So in this sol effect, basically I have just one emitter, And what I'm doing actually, I'll show you. First I open my character and save it as static mesh. So this is my static mesh with the same pose. And then what you have to do actually, if I let me take a new fountain, and I use this static mesh here, and removing this mesh and using this, and remove all these modules for now. So I have this. So basically this character is like the soul of this character is moving to the sun. So to create that, you need to move this character here to the sun, because your sun is here. So you can take the velocity, and I'll move it on the Z 100 maybe, and on Y 100. So this is going here, and particles so much, I'll just make it 10 maybe. Then I can scale the size of this mesh over life. So I'll make it float and curve, and you need to assign the sign here, that's why it's not visible. And then this should little bit upward because our sun is up. So I'll make it 150. So this is how my soul is going like this. Then I applied a material on it and distorting my mesh. So I have a mesh here. This is my material. This is my material. Basically I'm using this noise texture and for my WPO, and I have also this star texture that I'm using for the brightness. You can see these brightness of stars. So let me duplicate this. So if I disable this, not disable, if I just remove the material, so you can see my character is moving up and scaling down. So this part you understand. I'm spawning 10 particles, life is 3, mesh size is 1, velocity on Y and Z, some drag, scaling down, camera offset. Then I apply the material, and in dynamic parameter I reset my values for now, and I have 2 dynamic parameters. So first I'll just open and show you which values what is doing. So I didn't have name here for now, but you can see this is X, Y and Z directions. So I'll just name these X, Y and Z direction. Then this one is tiling, so I'll name this tile. And here refraction, so this is refraction minimum and maximum. Oops, this one minimum and maximum refraction. I'll save this now. Here in camera I'll turn this on also. So okay, so by default value is 0 0, so I'll make this 1 1 and 1, and also tiling 1. So you can see the character, but now with these values I can decide how much distortion I want. See, if I increase, let me stop this, if I am increasing the Z value, it's stretching on Z. And see, hand velocity we are using Y and Z, so here we will not touch the X and we will use the Y and Z's like 100 or 100. So this will stretch on this direction, but not need to use 100, you can use 50. Okay, and you can also randomize these so it will not look symmetrical like it looks like now. So if I randomize this like 50 and 80, and same I copy paste here on Z, so it will not look symmetrical. And also you can use curves to animate this like I did here. So you can see here I'm using the curves with 200, but initially this is 0, so you can see the character proper shape here, but when it's going up the distortion is high, so this is distorting it too much. See the character shape? So this is how it's working. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so that's it. This is my sol effect, and if I play, this is how it looks. And let me close this. So this is my final effect. So that's it. I hope you liked it, and if you have any query, just comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel CGHOW. Thank you. Bye bye. Actually not by I have done something, so I'll show you. In the sky, default speed is actually 1, but I am using 50, that's why this is moving very fast. Then you can see here I have a fog, this exponent fog. This actually by default value is 0.02, I'm using it 1, so you can see this scene is foggy. And on character there is a rim light, because I have lights. I have this directional light, spotlight, so you can see this spotlight, and this is my directional light, and this is again a spotlight. So these are the setting in here, and that's it. So bye now.